High in the snow-covered Alps, a man named Anton possesses a unique ability that has saved countless lives. He can detect avalanches before they happen. As a seasoned mountain guide, Anton has learned to sense the subtle vibrations beneath his feet and reads the changing patterns in snowdrifts and weather conditions with remarkable precision. His exceptional intuition is so refined that he can predict an avalanche hours before it occurs, allowing for timely evacuations and effective safety interventions. One winter, his talent averted a disaster when he forewarned a village nestled in a valley, giving them enough time to evacuate before a massive avalanche stormed down, sparing the homes and lives in its path. His life-saving talent is celebrated among mountaineers and villagers alike, marking Anton as an extraordinary figure in the world of mountain safety.